Solve this question. When the polynomial x exponent 4 minus 4x cubed plus ax squared plus bs plus 1 is divided by x minus 1, the remainder is 7. When it is divided by x plus 1, the remainder is 3. Find the values of a and b in what? The polynomial. So we have to let this polynomial be equal to a function f of x is equal to x exponent 4 minus 4x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus 1. Now this that we are having here, the x minus 1, it's a factor which can divide this polynomial and leaves a remainder 7. So we equate the factors. The factors are what? X minus 1. So we equate it to 0. Now when we find the value of x is equal to what? 1. We equate this x minus 1 equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. F of positive 1, f of 1 would be equal to what? The set remainder that we have. Then we will substitute this into the equation and equate it to 7. That will imply that we will have what? 1 exponent 4 minus 4 into bracket 1 exponent 3 plus a into bracket 1 exponent 2 plus b into bracket 1 plus 1 equal to 7. And that when we simplify that, we'll have what? A plus b plus this will give us positive 1. This will give us negative 4, sorry, which will give us negative 3. Negative 3 plus 1 will give us what? Negative 2. So we'll have what? Minus 2 is equal to 7, which will give us a plus b is equal to 7 plus 2. A plus b is equal to what? 9 as our equation 1. Then when we continue, the second divisor, which is x plus 1, we would equate that one to 0 and find the value of x to be equal to negative 1. F of negative 1 should be equal to the remainder that it leaves, 3. Then we'll go through the same approach by substituting the negative 1 into the what? Polynomial. That would imply that we'll have negative 1 exponent 4 minus 4 into bracket negative 1 exponent 3 plus a into bracket negative 1 exponent 2 plus b into bracket negative 1 plus 1 equal to 3. And when we simplify that, we'll have positive 1 here. This will give us positive 1. And this will also give us positive 4, which will give us what? Plus 5, which is positive 5. Then we'll have what? Positive a plus minus b. So a minus b. Then our 5 here will add up to what? The positive 1 here to have what? 6 is equal to 3. Therefore, our a minus b is equal to 3 minus 6, which will give us a minus b is equal to what? Negative 3 as our equation 2. Now that we have those two equations, we have to solve them simultaneously. So the first one is a plus b is equal to 9, our equation 1. Then we have a minus b equal to negative 3, our equation 2. So we solve this simultaneously using any of the simultaneous equation method, either elimination or substitution. But elimination could be best for this. So when we add equation 1 plus equation 2, we will have 2a. Positive b plus negative b will give us 0, equal to positive 9 plus negative 3 will give us what? 6. We divide through by what? 2. A will give us what? 3. Then we substitute a into any of the equation to get the value of b. So it's my choice to take any of them. So if I substitute it into equation 1, sub a is equal to 3 into equation 1, we will have 3 plus b is equal to 9, which will give us b is equal to 9 minus 3. B is equal to 6. That will be the value of what? B. So our polynomial f of x now would be equal to x exponent 4 minus 4x cubed plus a, which is the value of a is 3x squared, plus b, which is 6x, then plus 1 as our polynomial.